In this video, I wanted to show you how to make a DIY mask. If you look up on YouTube, there are many other ways, many other different designs and people who are showing. But I took up some time this weekend to look up into the right way, the right methodology in making these masks, because these are medical equipment and you're protecting yourself from this deadly virus. So you want to be careful about what you're using. So I looked up and I did some research over this weekend, and there is this university by Hong Kong, the University of Hong Kong. They, in collaboration with the Shenzhen Hospital, they made this mask, and it is clinically tested by these scientists. I've pulled it up here. So they used household tools, just tissue paper, napkin, toilet paper, and made these masks. According to them, they're saying it almost works as 80 to 90% of the clinical mask, the N95 mask. So it resembles in the functionality of them, and it's been made by professors and scientists from this university. So I believe that this would be really good. And like these guys have used masks, kitchen paper, and toilet paper. There is another method which utilizes the HEPA bags. Now HEPA is very high efficiency particular, and they suck all the airborne particles in a vacuum bag, and these are HEPA vacuum bags. So if you look up HEPA vacuum bags, these are very cheap. So you'll see Walmart has it for $11, and these are very, very fine filter particles which are designed to take out at least 99.98% of airborne particles. So these are also very good alternatives if you don't want to use kitchen paper. But kitchen paper, as per them, they're saying it works 80 to 90% well. So I'll show you how to make one based on what they have shown in this technique by these Hong Kong scientists. The first step is to make sure you sanitize. You wash your hands thoroughly with soap. Make sure you're using hot water and washing it at least for 20 seconds. Then use sanitizers to make sure you're sanitizing yourself and sanitizing all the equipments that are going to be used. So we will be using Kleenex or napkin, paper towels, 4 rubber bands, scissor, a punch, and tape. We will start off by using the kitchen towel. Make sure you're using the inner layer of the kitchen towel. So this is already exposed. You don't want to use this. Use the inner layer. So open this, leave these 3, don't use them, and use the inner. So we're going to be using 2 layers. We're going to be using 2 layers. So I have 2 layers on top of each other, like this. So I'm putting 2 layers on top of each other, and I'm going to be using this Kleenex magazine on top of this.